breastfeeding, he has had like bananas and purees and rice cereals and oatmeals and stuff. So protein has been trending, if you don't know. So I do put a scoop of collagen in my coffee. You cannot taste it, but I just like the skin and nail benefits. But apart from this, I also consume beef gelatin. Is just more concentrated and it's more bioavailable. And this just helps my gut. I have been diagnosed with ulcerative colitis. It is in remission right now, thank God, but I owe that to this for sure. My cat. So yeah, let's put a scoop of collagen into my coffee, because beef gelatin you do not want to put into hot coffee. I put this into my smoothies. It just gets all gelatinous. Sleeping still?
He was. He was like, I went to go sleep, but he was like, check motion.
Okay guys, so I'm making my toddler his favorite pancakes. It's just one squished banana. I just squish it with a fork, and then I add an egg and just kind of scramble it together and pour it in a cast iron, and my toddler's breakfast will be ready. He's still sleeping. He will totally devour those. Sometimes I'll have to make seconds. It just depends on if he asks for it or like what I put with it. But I think today I'm gonna give him a little bit of cheese and some berries. I think we're running low, so we might make a grocery run. I'm gonna do some cleaning today. And my little guy. Yeah, that's gonna be our day today. Need your pancake? Yeah. Huh? No. We just dealt with a few bugs. We live in the desert, and now that it's starting to get really like excessively hot, a lot of times the bugs will come inside. And hold on, the camera's shaking so much. And I don't really like to use a lot of like chemical bug sprays, and the natural stuff just doesn't really work, so we kind of just have to live with them. It's just part of living in the desert. I can like keep my house as clean as possible, but they're just like, I mean, we do have scorpions, and that kind of sucks because they're really venomous. We have quite a few venomous bugs, but luckily, like black widows and stuff, they stay outside. We have found one black widow in the house. It was like under the cabinet where I never clean. That was really scary. I actually walked through the bathroom and felt a web on my ankle, and I was like, whoa, that's really weird. And I looked underneath and there was a black widow. So, and we have found scorpions in the house. It's like this time of year. It's, yeah, I know. It's just this time of year. It is what it is, unfortunately. Anyway, so yeah, if you guys know, you know, this is a haka, and a haka is amazing because you don't have to pump. I mean, if you want to pump, you can, but honey, hold on. Anyway, the haka catches all your letdown, and I always have tons of letdown on whichever boob I'm not, whichever boob he's not feeding on at the time. And they do say like the haka increases your milk supply because basically your body is thinking that it's feeding twins, which I'm okay with. I have found that it doesn't increase my milk supply to the point where it's just like unmanageable. So, and I do like to have a little bit of frozen milk just for whenever my husband wants to feed the baby. So yeah, breastfeeding, it's a journey, but it's well worth it. Ow. While he's pulling my hair, I'm like, it's so worth it. So I have a German Shepherd, and there's so much hair involved in raising this kind of dog. But it's okay because I have a rainbow vacuum, and it is the best vacuum ever made. I truly believe this. I will go more in detail about this vacuum, but it is just life-changing. Truly, it really is. Hey guys, we just got in from the pool, and I am making, it's like lunchtime. I'm gonna be making an omelet of buffalo chicken. We get it from Sam's Club. I'll show you. It's the Members Mark buffalo chicken breast. So I'm just sauteing that and some spinach, and my mother-in-law brought over some French feta cheese. I'm gonna put some of that in it, and some buffalo sauce that I also get at Sam's Club, the Franks. Don't you guys just love cast iron? Like, what was I doing before cast iron? Anyway, so I do a lot of like cooking because stuff is about to go bad. So this is our omelet today. And then for toddler, gentle please, I'm just making some mac and cheese. He might have some omelet, I don't know. Sometimes he loves it, sometimes he doesn't. Don't do that, babe. So my mother-in-law gets this feta, and it is so delicious. And basically I just put it in this thing. It's kind of like a deeper Tupperware container. Unfortunately, I don't have anything deep that is glass. And I'll just put it in there to store it. There's a bee? Where? So I made the omelet, and I also made some baked oats for the entire family. I say for the toddler, but my husband loves these things too. And we just ate some of the omelet and these blueberry baked oats. I made a short of this. Okay, I'll put the part on. So I think we're gonna do Japanese curry for dinner. It's just easy, and I've got some veggies that I'd like to use up. So I'll show you guys how I make that. And I think I have the golden curry brand right now, which I love. That's my favorite one. So here I'm just chopping up some onion and adding it to a little bit of olive oil. And then this recipe is so great because you use up just any veggies that you have to use up in the fridge. I'm using cauliflower. I had some shredded carrots. And then I'm adding 4 cubes of the golden curry, which is my favorite. And I add water, bring it to a soft simmer, and just cook it until the veggies are the tenderness that your family likes. I unfortunately didn't have any meat on hand. I definitely need to go to the grocery store, but this meal is so satiating and delicious with just veggies, and my family loves it. So this is what we had for dinner, and then after that I had a matcha because it was still kind of early, and that's everything we ate today. This is my rainbow vacuum I was speaking of earlier. It's just amazing. It's got a water filter, you can put essential oils in it, and it really filters the air and everything out of the air while you vacuum. It leaves my home smelling so fresh. It is the best vacuum, I truly believe. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Please like and subscribe if you have not, and stay tuned for my next video.